Conversation 1.
What is the fastest way to get to the airport?
By taxi, but it's the most expensive.
What's the cheapest?
The local bus, but is by far the slowest way to get there.
I better spring for a taxi then.
Yeah, it's best if you do.
Conversation 2.
What is the best place to visit in your country?
I think the West Coast. It has the best weather.
What about the cost?
The costs are very high. Our most expensive cities are there.
Oh, that's too bad. What about the food?
It's great. It has the best restaurants in the country.
Conversation 3.
How was the movie last night?
Oh, it was great. It was the scariest movie I've ever seen.
Oh, really? That scary?
Yes, I was screaming throughout the film.
Was it crowded?
Yeah, it was the most packed I've ever seen the theater.
Conversation 4.
What is the oldest city in your country?
I think it's the capital.
Is it the biggest?
It was, but not anymore.
Why are people moving out?
Well, it's not the most modern place to live.